By the end of this video, you're gonna have a step-by-step guide for how you can make over $1,000 a day with TikTok's new TikTok Shop affiliate program. In fact, by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to find profitable products, how to create content for them using AI, and how you can optimize your content to maximize the amount of sales that you're getting. In fact, this creator right here was able to implement the strategy that I'm gonna share with you to help this product sell over 84,000 units. And this creator was able to help this product sell over 8,400 units. And neither of them have a big follower base or anything like that. They simply just followed the strategy that I'm gonna share with you in this video to maximize the amount of sales and the amount of reach out they're getting. And on top of that, in my next video that I create on this subject, I am literally going to walk through me doing this entire blueprint to prove to you that it actually works. And the best part about this is literally all you have to do is create a TikTok account, register for this program, and then start creating content with these different products in it, and boom, you're gonna be able to monetize your TikTok immediately. On top of that, TikTok is actually incentivized to push out more and more of your content so long as you're focused on using a trending product. And remember, later on in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how to find a trending product, because this is one of the biggest opportunities of 2024. If you can get good at finding trending products, creating content for them with AI, well, guess what? You're gonna be able to make a lot of money, and you're gonna get TikTok to really push your content like crazy, because what they wanna do is push more and more content on the products that are popular, that are giving it positive reviews, so that ultimately they make more money and you make more money. And the best part about this whole entire program is that you don't even have to focus on delivering the product or dealing with customer inquiries or anything like that. All you have to do is find trending products, create good content on them, and boom, you're gonna have a business. Step number one is you need to go to shop.tiktok.com, where you're gonna find an application process that's going to take you about 30 minutes to complete. Once you've completed that, it'll take 1 to 2 days to hear back, and the majority of people end up getting accepted so long as they meet the criteria for becoming an affiliate on TikTok. And while you're waiting for that application process to end, you need to make sure that you're going through and finding products that are trending on TikTok today. And here's the key. You can't focus on products that are going to trend in the future, because that hasn't happened yet. And you can't focus on products that trended in the past, because TikTok is no longer pushing them. What you need to be doing is finding products on TikTok that are trending today, helping small creators just like you go viral and be able to make money from TikTok. Because if you were able to hop on that wave, well, guess what? TikTok is going to push out your content, because once somebody views a video on a product on TikTok Shop, guess what ends up happening? They keep seeing that product until they end up purchasing. Now, essentially, you wanna make sure that you have 8 to 10 different products that you're gonna try promoting within a single niche, and you wanna make sure that the account that you have sticks to a single niche. It could be male beauty products, female beauty products, it could be sports-related products, baseball-related products, or just anything that is a specific niche, because different products are gonna trend, and you wanna make sure that you're able to promote multiple products on the same exact account. So now what you need to do is you need to come over to TikTok, and I want you to do a search for something like TikTok Shop, or you to search for TikTok made me buy it or TikTok affiliate marketing. And then what you're gonna do is come up to the top right hand corner, click on filters here, you're gonna click sort by like count, then you wanna say date posted this week. And essentially what this is going to show you is a bunch of different products that are trending right now. For example, if we click into this right here, what we're gonna be able to find is that this person is promoting this t-shirt right here. And if we scroll up, we're going to see that over 18,000 of these have sold, and they have a new customer deal going on. So this is going to be a great product. Now what you can do from here is keep doing searches like this. You can do a search up top for big and tall men clothing, or you can click into their profile, and what you're going to be able to find is a bunch of other videos that they did shops for. For example, if we click into this right here, we're going to see another video here, and boom, this one only sold 744 though. So this isn't going to be a good product to use, especially since they had a post go viral. Or maybe you want to keep scrolling through their content and see if there are other products that they've done that have gotten a lot of views, like maybe this one right here with the super greens powder. And yes, over 100,000 of these sold, it got them a lot of views, and it was only from 5 days ago. So this is going to be another great product that you can promote. And as you can see, both of these products did well on the same page, so this is a pretty good sign that this is a niche. And now remember, you wanna be focused on products that have sold a lot, that have really good reviews, and that are trending on TikTok. Because here's the deal. If you could be a salesperson for anything, which you can with the TikTok Shop affiliate program, obviously you wanna sell the most expensive thing that you can, that has the best reviews, that the most people are buying. And that is gonna allow you to make the most amount of money. I mean, think about it in the real world. If you were gonna be selling cars, would you rather be selling a Ferrari, or would you rather be selling a Kia? Obviously, you'd rather be selling a Ferrari, because it's gonna allow you to make more money, and you need to go through TikTok TikTok shop and think about it with the same exact mindset. Now, I do have 3 favorite niches right now. The first one are going to be products that solve a specific problem. For example, helping people stretch. The second are going to be beauty products. And then third, we're going to see supplements, because all 3 of these people buy a lot of, they typically solve a problem, and they're really easy for you to be able to create content for. Now what you want to do is you want to start using InVideo AI in order to create content for your products, and the best part about it is you don't have to show up within the content. You could still use your own voice, and you could add in a ton of custom B-roll that's going to allow you to make the perfect ads. In fact, the perfect ad is going to have both an AI component and a human component, like this creator right here that's making tens of thousands of dollars a month right now by simply creating AI generated piece of content to promote all these different products. And by the way, if you go to the pinned comment below right now, you could get started with InVideo AI today for free. Now let's get into the tutorial of exactly how you can create those ads in just a few minutes. Now, getting started with InVideo AI is incredibly simple. All you have to do is log in, you have to click up here, and we're just going to type in a simple prompt. But first, I want to show you how you can actually add your own voice, because this is a really cool feature and it'll be really unique if you add this into your content. So all you have to do is come over to Add Voices, you're going to click here, and you're going to have to upload a file that hits the following. It needs to be 30 seconds long. You need to actually mention, I give InVideo AI permission to use my voice in this workspace. You need to pause in between sentences like you normally would, and then you need to make sure that you're using high quality recording equipment. All you have to do then is upload it into here, and it is going to then generate a voice for you. Now, if you want to use your voice, like this one that I created right here, all we have to do is click this, and then it's going to add these different settings in here. So now we need to actually type in our prompt. So I've already typed out a prompt, but I want to walk you through it because you want this to be as descriptive as possible so that you actually get the best results. So I said here, I want you to make a 60-second video about the dangerous side effects of Cistanch supplements, but I want it to have a popular twist. Essentially, we want to lead with a negative hook, but the 3 side effects should be positives. For example, increased energy, better dreams, and the ability to fall asleep faster, which would all be great things that our audience is actually going to be interested in. On top of that, the hook should have a very negative tone, but the rest of the video should be salesy and surprising. And from here, we're going to click Generate Video, and InVideo is going to get started. Now, we are going to have to answer a few other questions just about formatting and what the actual tone of the video should be. But from here, most of the work is already done, and now all we have to do is wait for it to get created and then make a few different edits when it comes to the content. So like I said, we do have to answer a few questions in terms of what audience we're going after. We want this to be supplement users. For the look and feel, we want it to be professional. And then obviously, this is going to be for TikTok since we're doing TikTok shop. And from here, all we have to do is click continue, and boom, InVideo is going to go through and actually make that video. So now that the video is created, let's go ahead and watch this and see how it looks and how it sounds. Warning, Cistanch supplements may have serious side effects. This exotic herb can trigger a sudden blast of energy, turning your sluggish days into energetic ones, fueled with newfound vitality. Now from here, what we could do is go through and actually edit this so that it looks like a successful ad on TikTok. And one of the biggest things that you'll see with ads on TikTok is that they have subtitles throughout the entire video. So all we have to do is come down to the command box right here and say, please put subtitles throughout the entire video. They should be white with a black border / outline. Then we're going to click generate right here, and almost instantly this is going to go through and it's going to put subtitles throughout the entire piece of content. As you can see, it's already done that. And if we scroll through a little bit, you're going to continue to see those subtitles there. Now typically this would have taken an editor hours to do, or you would have had to do it and it would have taken you hours to do, but we literally just did it in just a few seconds. And that's not the only thing we could do with InVideo. From here, what else can we do? We can come into edit here and we can edit all of the different media that is showing up. But in addition to that, we can upload our own media. For example, I went ahead and got 2 screenshots of different supplements. And what we can do is add screenshots of those supplements in, because remember, in order to create the perfect ad, what we're going to want to do is we want to make sure that we're including both stock footage that InVideo is finding, but also our own footage. For example, in the first 5 seconds, we might want to come in here and click this, and we might want to put this here as opposed to having the other thing show. And essentially what we want to do here is we want to show the supplement in the first 5 seconds as opposed to whatever else that we're going to show. And again, you could go through and add whatever kind of B-roll you wanted. Maybe you wanted to add somebody with energy here, or maybe you wanted to be able to add the supplement facts. The key point is that you're going to be able to take what InVideo created and you're going to be able to customize it by adding your own B-roll, your own images, and even your own videos. And then from here, all you have to do is click export, and then you're going to want to click no watermarks, you're going to want to click none, and you're going to want to click 1080p, you're going to click continue, and boom, you're going to be able to export this video right here. And you see how easy that was to create an ad? You don't need an editor anymore, you don't have to go through and find B-roll, you can literally create your own custom ads to be able to sell things with TikTok Shop Affiliate straight on InVideo. And the best part is, if you go to the pinned comment below, you can get started today for free. Now, if you're serious about selling things, you need to make sure that you don't have the InVideo watermark. And the only way you're going to make that possible is if you upgrade to a pro account, which starts at only $20 a month. It's an absolute no-brainer. You need like one sale of a product through TikTok Shop Affiliate to be able to pay for your whole month of being able to edit and create content without having to show your face and using AI. On top of that, here's what the video actually looks like now. Warning, Cistancia supplements may have serious side effects. This exotic herb can trigger a sudden Now, I do want to warn you, none of that's going to work if you're not actually creating content that TikTok wants to see. And there are 3 things that you need to be hyper-focused on. 1, that you're actually using a trending product. 2, that you're creating content in a format that works for the niche in which you're creating it. If people are doing vlog videos, well then guess what? That's going to be kind of hard to create with InVideo AI, so you're not going to want to do a product like that if you're going to use AI for the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. And then on top of that, you need to make sure that your content is the same length as other content that shows. Like I shared with you in the example, for every other video that you're seeing, promoting that product is 50 seconds long, your video better also be 50 seconds long, and you need to be hyper aware of that, because if you're not getting those 3 things right, it's going to be really hard for the TikTok algorithm to recommend your product. On top of that, you want to make sure that you're creating multiple videos for the same product, because like I shared with you earlier, when you upload something to TikTok with a shop link, if somebody watches that video, TikTok is going to keep showing them more videos with that link and with that product to eventually get them to buy. So you want to make sure that TikTok is showing your videos and not some competitor's videos. Before you just hop from product to product, you should be doing at least 4 to 5 videos per product. So ideally, you should have 8 to 10 products. You should have a very specific niche, and you should have like 3 to 5 videos for each of those products. So ideally, you should have like 50 videos that you're going to upload to TikTok before you judge whether or not this worked. On top of that, you need to make sure that you're optimizing your content for watch time and completion rate, because TikTok really cares about that, and you need to make sure that you're posting at the right time. If you don't know what time to post, that's exactly why I created this video right here that tells you the best time to post on TikTok in 2024. I'll see you over there.